Hey everyone, wanted to take you with me as I do a final walkthrough and cleanup of our work here on this beautiful house. We replaced all the siding here in Bethlehem and wanted to show you a little bit about our cleanup process. So there's several checks and balances here at North Star Exteriors to make sure that we're doing a fantastic job. The homeowner is part of the process as we walk through with them every step of the way, what we're doing and what to expect. I'm here myself on site several times throughout the day. My experienced crew chiefs make sure that the guys are working hard and cleaning up. We hire someone to clean up the entire time as the guys are up there on the scaffolding and up on the roof doing their job. And then at the end here, we walk around with large magnets and clean up every single thing that we can. Now there's some that can't even be picked up by magnets, so I make sure I get them myself, or one of my crew members picks them up by hand. We know you care about the cleanliness of your home, and we care about that as well. Now, we walk around to the back here, and I check to make sure that all the J channels are straight, the wires are hung correctly, the fascia doesn't look like it was damaged at all, the gutters are in great shape, the landscaping wasn't damaged because we took precautions beforehand to make sure it wouldn't get damaged, and make sure that everything is in order here. Now there were some things that the homeowner wanted us to take a look at. We looked at the same day that we were completing the home, and my crew took care of them immediately because we were here and we did a final walkthrough with the homeowner. But this is just, I was passing by and wanted to make sure that the house looked beautiful. Every single house that we do is like a calling card for us, because not only will we do this home, we're also scheduled to do that home and that home and that home as well. So every single house we do is very important to us, and we take it very seriously. Thank you very much. Take care.